Say, see you tomorrow, sweet dreams. Mwah, 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 mwah. It's Lola's tummy and head. And then the next morning, she's gonna say, good morning, honey. Good morning, honey. What do you want to do today? Do you want to have a date at Wolfgang today? That's my favorite steakhouse. Her.
BTS.
FBE. Walang goer. Gojadok.
Are you vibing with the songs?
Hindi pa nga rin yung isa. Ilang oras lang mag-start yung sabi mag-live?
Makikita naman dun sa live eh. Hindi ba ito yung akin, ano? Hello?
Already one.
Gusto siya maliit.
Go to the card.
Okay.
Dominic, tsaka Dominic.
1, 2. Okay, one more. 1.
Merry Christmas!
Okay, Merry
One,
Christmas.
two, three, go!
Okay, Merry Christmas.
Ikaw ulit after.
Yan, magsalita pala dyan.
1, 2, smile. Ito pa.
Ganda.
Merry Christmas!
8, 7, 6.
Merry Christmas!
Ang picture kayo.
Thank you, my little boy.
Sino?
Turns down.
Wow! Surprise! show me. Wow, ganda.
A Stanley!
Ba't puro ikaw? Open it.
The airport broke it.
Show me. Wow, black. Open it.
Ano kaya to?
Good.
Apple Watch strap.
Open it.
Pinatin.
Oh, see? Oh, it's green.
Oh. Like it? Show it to me. Show it to me.
Why are we matching?
Siyempre,
Wow,
magkapatid kayo eh.
machi-machi!
Oh. Diba? Turn sa shoes mo.
Wait.
Oh, kala mo.
Then,
Oh, that's it. That's your gift.
Sabi na.
what is this? iPhone!
Ha? Wow! What's that? Show me! Show me! Show me your iPhone! Better luck next time.
Give more gifts.
From ano yan? Binasa mo ba?
From Dad, Mom, and Ate. This is my shoebox. I knew it.
Second from. That's your clothes. What's that, Franco?
iPhone.
Show me. There's another old box.
What's this?
Show it to me. Wait, unbox pa niya yan eh.
Kaya pala doon hinala mo yung box ng...
Baka malaglag, Franco.
No, 30. Thank you.
Wow. How many years did you wait
5
for that?
years.
May dati pala talaga.
From me.
From you.
Only.
Second ko. Dati wala ka pa rin gift.
I have.
Mahulog yung telepono, ha?
Halata, see-through kasi sa ano eh.
iPad from ate.
Malinis lang iPad, pero iPad case.
Wow, Bluetooth.
You
Wow.
bought him one without telling me.
Ay, panis.
Mommy, you're next.
You green, binili niya. Pinapabili ko sa kanya to. Ha? Pinapabili ko sa kanya to.
Yeah. Ito pa.
Asa.
From Shirel. From Shirel!
There's nothing from me.
Tabi ka dyan! Bida-bida eh.
Jolly ba? Diyan na ka dapat.
Bumili ka rin na on cloud?
Ah.
Prank to. Ano ba yan? Napakaya na buksan.
Wait nga lang, wag mo na sa harap. Jordan.
Old box too.
Wow, Jordan!
Yes.
Oh.
Jordan.
Pang babae!
Wow. Sa kanya to. Baka iPhone dito ah.
Buksan mo.
Ay,
Alam mo to?
Why? I'm deciding to open it.
I cannot open. May tape ba to?
wala. Ah!
Papakulungin nyo? iPad mini na talaga. Ay, talaga! Gastos nyo?
No? Guess who?
Hindi ako matapos-tapos ang bayad ng credit card.
Pinuksan mo agad.
Ba't hindi? Hindi ako bubuksan. Totoo?
Mga birthday na yan.
Wow!
Wow! Bubuksan ko na ba? Ano ito?
Hindi ko nabuksan yan. Hindi, Nene. Pinabili ko kay Nene.
Galing pa sa Australia to?
Hindi, Singapore.
Oo. Ganda, oh. Masarap na manood ng TikTok.
Yeah.
TikTok lang pala gagawin mo siya. Back. Kailangan mo yan.
Pero hindi siya maglalabas ng patient. Ano siya, pang...
Hair, body burn. Hair and body.
Nabasat yung bayan ko. That's mine.
Hindi ka lang trip mo yung ganyang color.
Siyempre hindi, papapalitan na naman yun. Patingin.
Kaya ka lang yung ganyan.
Oh, Franco, makinig ka daw. Marami kang utang sa akin. Kuha ka mo muna.
Hindi ko naman yung
Nawawala yan.
Masarap siya.
Let's go.